Alright, sandblasting day, so here we go. Alright, here we go. This one's all done. On to the next one. All out. Gotta fill her up. Here we go. Here we go, all cleaned up. In case y'all are wondering, I'm using play sand, but I'm not using the typical play sand. I am using the cement grade, which is a lot more finer sand. Okay, last little bit. Now this here, I'm just gonna take a steel wheel and get this outer edge. That way I don't get nothing in here. Alright, time to blow it off. Alright, that looks good. So, what color do you guys think I should make this? Red, green, black, orange, candy apple red. I don't know. You guys put that in the comment section and give me some ideas. So that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you would please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like seeing the latest and greatest content on YouTube. Later.